How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of unboxing the Galaxy Watch Active. Guys, I'm on a roll with these unboxing videos. I mean, first was the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and then the absolutely amazing wallet. I mean, the wallet is just one of my first 4K videos shot with the Note 20 Ultra. Well, if you want to, this is another one. This is my second video, 4K shot with the Note 20 Ultra, but it doesn't do the phone justice. You don't want to know why? Because my lighting is absolutely rubbish in where I am right now, and the only way my lighting can improve, man, the only way my previous videos had better lighting is because I shot them in the day, and obviously the time was better at that time. But now in the Christmas period, and obviously the Christmas period in the UK, we get daylight saving and the time is crap. But anyways, the box is exactly the same. The protection box is exactly the same like the Note 20 Ultra. I got it from the Samsung website. Again, I got this for $129.99 thanks to Black Friday. Otherwise, this watch costs around $200. But this is the Samsung Active Watch, the first generation. And here we go. We unboxed it. Box it, and it's oh wow, they've changed the box a little slightly. I think the ones that I have been watching online, they are pretty big, but this one's in the small size. So that's the front of the box. That's, you got some shiny going on, shiny active silver thing going on there. On the side, you've got this information here. You can read it and pause it yourself. Pause the video and read what it says there yourself. And then at the back, we have, what the hell do we have at the back? Oh, it's a bit of a dirt there at the back, and that's what it says on the back. And you also got the hardcore seal over there, and you got a normal tape over there. Basically, if I open the seal and I would like to, I don't know how it works, to be honest with you. It says within 30 days I can return it, but it also says here, if the seal's open, I don't know, do not open it or something like that. Right, here we go. Once again, the AMR is doing an unboxing video without his knife. Oh, dude, it looks like I might need an actual knife for this one. Come on, come on. Don't want to damage the box. Open, open, open. There, perfect. Oh, awesome. Keys. You know, no, you can't go wrong keys. So, let's go and try and unbox this. Because I don't like these flaps, man. I hope this flap won't restrict me from unboxing it. Let's unbox it like Unbox Therapy. Well, he's just a pro at unboxing things, right? I can't just pull this out right now. Because, oh, there we go. There we go. And yeah, that flap was just there for nothing, so let's leave that to the side. First glance, you can see that I've got the white version of the watch. Two reasons why I got the white version of the watch. Reason number one is black version was out of stock. Reason number two is the white version has this silver finish that I absolutely love. Dude, it looks so nice and neat, and the strap, it feels so nice and smooth, man. Wow, it's incredible. You've got this really awesome looking heartbeat sensor right here, which the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was missing from the back next to its camera. My S8 Plus had a heartbeat sensor. However, the new Note 20 Ultra I paid an arm and leg for does not have a heartbeat sensor, which is a bit disappointing really. I mean, it's missing a headphone jack as well as a heartbeat sensor. I'm lucky the phone even turns on. But anyways, here we go. What comes in the box is the watch itself. And also, by the way, I know it said white, but it's grayish. It's grayish white. I like that. I like that, man. I like that a lot. But anyways, also in the middle of the box, you've got this little yogurt tub. Let's hope it's got some tasty yogurt inside. But it, in fact, has a wire, and I am guessing this is the charger. And it looks like, yep, it's a wireless charger. Awesome. Pretty advanced looking wireless charger right here. It seems like I'm just gonna put the watch on top of it like that. Oh, it's a magnetic. It's cool. That's it. It sticks. Oh, damn it. Damn, you know, that just broke my heart there. I thought the watch was going to break. There we go. And they also gave you an extra strap in this very nice texture looking thingy-majig for the strap. And I think, this is much more, oh, this is much more longer. So basically, if you got a fat arm, you can put this strap on. And if you got a skinny arm, you put this strap on, the original strap on, right there. But I think I'm going to, my arm's not that skinny, but I don't think I'm going to be using this. I'm going to see how the silver version, the white version of this watch suits me. I've always been wearing black watches. As you can see, my current watch, this is the all-core W1 watch. It's a smartwatch. I reckon it's the best smartwatch ever. The only downside to this watch is the battery lasts 4 hours for usage, and it lasts a full of 1 day if I just want to use it for the time. If you want to watch a video of this, I've already done an unboxing video of it. It's a full Android watch. You got the full Google Play Store there. As you can see, it's literally got YouTube. It's got a couple of games. It's got TikTok there. It's even bloody got WhatsApp and Google Chrome. It's basically wherever your phone's got. That's what this watch has got. However, this is a genuine watch. This watch is genuine from Samsung. The connectivity features with my Note 20 Ultra, it will be absolutely like literally genuine. What can I say with it? Right. Now, this was a short, snappy unboxing video, guys. There is no use for me to turn that on, because I'm going to make another video depending on how many views and how many of you guys are interested in this video, explaining the features of this watch, because I am using the phone, I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't turn it on and, do the recording at the same time. However, on a second video, it's going to be a video where I'm probably going to use this watch for a couple of weeks, and after I've used the watch for a couple of weeks, that's when I will be answering all your questions, because obviously I can't answer any question right now because I've never used a Samsung watch before. So, as always, thank you for watching. Do not forget to smack that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching. I said that twice. Peace out, man.